Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in 3ds Max for beginners. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to teach you how to draw basic staircase shapes in 3ds Max. So for this I am going to my geometry here and I will click this arrow and I will go down here and you can see this stairs option. I am going to select this and you can see there are four types of basic staircase shapes, namely straight stair, L-type stair, U-type stair and a spiral stair. So we'll draw each one and we'll understand the basic settings. So now I'm going to select straight stair and I will go to my perspective mode here, Ctrl W, and I'm going to select this staircase option here and I'm going to select the straight stair. And if you select a straight stair, you can see some instruction on the left side. On the bottom corner here you can see this specify lower corner of the stair. So I'm going to click anywhere and I will not leave my mouse here, and you can see there is next instruction specify length and direction of the stair. So you can draw a staircase in any direction. So I'm going to draw in this direction and I will specify some length and then I will leave my left mouse, and you can see the next instruction specify width of the stair. So I'm going to specify width of the stair. So I will click once here and then you can see specify height of the stair. So you are required to move your mouse upwards so you can draw this staircase. This is a straight type of staircase and you can see some parameters. So this is box type of staircase. If you want closed, you can select this closed one. If you want open staircase, you can select this open. So now I am going to select this closed staircase here, and if you can select box also if you want, and you can see some there is a stringer here. So if you want a stringer, you can select this stringer. If you don't want, you can uncheck this and you can select this handrail also. So if you want handrail on the left side, you can select this box, and if you want on the right side, you can select this right option, or you can select both of the options. So this is the rail path and I will tell you how you can draw railing. So I'm going to draw a rail path on the left side and then on the right side also, and you can change the length and width of this stairs. So I'm going to increase the length here and I'm going to increase the width also here. So now this is the riser count here, and can increase the overall count here. You can see the riser count is increasing and decreasing, and if you click on this pin overall height, you cannot change the overall height here, and for this you can select this riser height and you can now change this. So if you click this here, you can change the riser height. So I'm going to increase the riser height and you can select the riser count from this option. And now I will tell you how you can draw railing. So for this I am going to my railing here and I will go to my AC extended. You will select railing here, and after this I am going to draw some railing shape here, basic railing shape, and this is 122 mm. So this is just to make you understand, this is not the standard railing height. So this is the second railing. So I am going to select this one, pick railing path, and I am going to click on this line. You can see this is the railing which we have drawn, and you can move this railing, or you can select on this railing and you can move this down here. You can adjust according to your design. So now I am going to select next railing and then I will go to modifier here and I will pick railing path and I will select on this line and again I will move this railing down here, and you can move this as per your design and height. So likewise you can draw railing here in 3ds Max, and there are some plugins to draw this. So I will tell you in the upcoming tutorials. So now I'm going to my next staircase type here. So I'm going to click on this stair, and now I'm going to select on left L type staircase here, and you can see specify lower corner of the stair. So I'm going to click here anywhere, and now I'm going to specify length of the first segment. Now I'm going to specify length. I will leave my mouse here, click, then specify direction, width and length of the second. So I'm going to specify direction. So this is L type, so I'm going to specify in this direction, and then specify height of the staircase. So I'm going to specify height of this L type staircase. So now I'm going to modify list, and we'll change the length of the first segment, can change the length of the second segment also, and you can change the width here, and you can also change the angle here. If you want at 45 degree, you can change the angle at 45. Likewise you can change the angle from here as per your design, and then you can also offset this staircase. And now you can also change this box type. If you want to box type, you can select this option. If you want closed, you can select this option. If you want open, you can select this option. And you can also create strings here, and you can also create handrail left or right, and rail path you can create with the same method here. You can click on any left or right or both side. You can create staircase railing, and now you can change the length here and length too. And you can also do this overall riser height. You can increase or decrease riser height, and you can see this riser count is varying. So if you click this riser count here, you can change the overall here height of the staircase. So I am going to select overall, so you cannot change this. After this it will pin it. So likewise you can change the count here, and now this is the steps thickness and carriage railings and stringers. I have told you how you can create. So we'll move to our next staircase type. So I am going to my next staircase, that is U type staircase, and I'm going to first change this setting. So I'm going to make this 900 length 1, and length 2 also I'm going to make 1200, and I will make the width as 900, and offset you can give this here 100. And now I'm going to click lower corner of the staircase, and then I'm going to specify first segment of the direction of the staircase, and then I will go to total width of the staircase. I will click once, and then I will move upwards, and you can see this is the U type of dog-leg staircase. So you can change the setting here. If you want to box type staircase, you can select this box type. If you want to closed, you can select this closed, and you can change the color from here, and you can also create open type of staircase. So if you want a stringer, you can select this stringer here. If you don't want, you can uncheck. Again the same settings. Handrail, if you want on the left side, you can create handrail on the left, rail path also, and you can create railing, and you can change the layout here, and you can also change the direction of the staircase. You can do in some staircase types in this also. If you want in left orientation, you can change the left orientation. If you want to right, you can also change the orientation of this staircase path. So now you can do in this previous also staircase types. And now I'm going to change the length. If you want to increase or decrease the length 1, and you can also change the length 2 here, and you can also change the width here, and you can also set this. You can see this offset here. This is the offset, and likewise you can do the overall settings of this riser, and you can select this riser count, and you can change the overall height. You can pin the riser count, and you can change the overall height of this staircase. So this is the method of drawing spiral stair, dog leg and U-type staircase. Now next is spiral staircase. So now I'm going to click here on the spiral staircase, and can change the radius here, and you can see this specify radius of the stair. So I'm going to click on this, and then I will move this staircase upwards. Can change the width here. This is 0 mm, so I'm going to increase the width, so we'll make this 900. So this is the 900 staircase. You can now see this is now looking like a spiral staircase. So we can also change this reversing, and you can create revolving here as many if you want. So you can create this using this revolving, and now can change the steps thickness. So this is 2 mm. You can increase or decrease the steps thickness here, and now we can create railings with the same method. And if you can go to rail path here, you can see this is the rail path, and can outside also you can create, and you can do these settings: overall height, riser height, and riser count with the same settings. And you can change these railings and staircase path by using this option, and railing option can create this kind of shapes in a staircase. So this was the tutorial for the today's session. In the next session I will come with some more interesting topics in 3ds maths. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.